Hi, thanks for choosing Synergy Builders as your remodeler of choice. I'm going to walk you through a pretty common task that you might be asked to do, and that's signing a document within BuilderTrend. You'll receive notification via email or from one of the team members here asking you to sign a document. And when you do, you might notice a pop-up icon here that would indicate that there's a couple of documents to sign. But you can also navigate to that by clicking on Files, Documents, and once you get into the Documents area, you'll notice that there's an icon right here that is requesting some signatures. So we're going to open up that folder, and when we open that, we'll see some documents that are ready to sign, indicated here. Clicking on this portion of the page will simply open up a new tab that allows you to preview your document that will not allow you to sign it. In order to sign it, you can navigate to that feature by either clicking on this link or on these three dots that drop down into a signature area. The signature area opens up and you can scroll down this. The default is going to be opening to the pen icon, and your mouse pointer will turn into a little blue dot. There will not be any automatic prompt areas to sign. You can sign anywhere on the document, but we would prefer if you scroll down to the bottom and sign. And you're going to do so by just simply hovering this blue dot over a certain area, left clicking and hold and sign. And then you'll click Submit Signature. And in this particular case, we have three documents that we're going to sign. So we're going to click Sign, scroll to the bottom. Your mouse pointer automatically turns into the blue dot, left click, hold, and sign, Submit Signature, and repeat. Three dots, click on the sign, scroll down, left click, hold, and hold the left click button down the entire time that you're signing. Thank you so much.